Aloha and welcome to Plan 1 of Kaulu by Gentry. Come on in. Check out this amazing landing pad for your bags and shoes. Since we don't wear shoes in Hawaii, that's nice to have right off of your front door if you come in that way, or for your guests. The next thing is look how open this kitchen is. The massive ceiling heights really accentuate the roomy feel of this home. And you have so much area for either your food preparation or to sit down and talk story with your friends and family. It seamlessly goes into the living room, and you have giant patio doors that open and allow so much natural light into the house, making it just feel a little bit more airy and spacious. The floor plan is amazing because, you know, storage is a premium in Hawaii. We don't have a lot of it. So having a huge area underneath the stairs is amazing to be able to store all of your things. Next up, we have a half bath downstairs, and there is a little landing pad for your extra items that you need to have stored. And the garage is right to the other side, but in model homes, we don't get to go in those. I really love how solid the construction feels in this house, where everything is so clean and the materials feel good. This happens to be my very favorite floor plan for a couple of reasons. So you could have movie time, you could make this into an office, you could have dogs here, you could have a kids play area. There's just so many choices. And then for someone that has that larger need for laundry, having a washer and dryer upstairs near all of your bedrooms is a back saver. So you don't have to cart it down the stairs and go outside to your garage. It's just right outside the primary bedroom, which brings us to our next area, right? So you have one closet as soon as you walk in the door. All of this detail that's in the model home, this will not actually come with the home. So these are all upgrades, so just keep that in mind. I love the layout of this bedroom. So it's very welcoming, inviting. You can fit your king size bed, you've got room for dressers and nightstands, and then there's a second closet too on the way to the bathroom. If you're a lady that has lots of products, or a guy too, drawers in here are great for storage instead of it all being cabinetry. So you can just organize your items a little bit better. And then in the primary, you're gonna have a shower and no bathtub in this room. All right, let's go explore the rest of the house. One of the other great things about this area is it is so close to Costco, Target, eateries, lots of different activities. Aukai is going up over here. So another spacious bedrooms. That's one of the things that I love about all of these floor plans in this community is every room has enough room to actually feel like you're not in a little box, that you have room for your belongings and to hang out comfortably in. So we'll go into the third bedroom of this property. Lots of light, natural windows. And then right off of that, so you have the two bedrooms on this side, and then you have a shared bathroom right there for them to use. And it's all upgraded fixtures, vanities, that kind of thing, and then you have more storage here. If you're interested in this model or any others that are the new builds at Kaulu by Gentry, please reach out at 808-829-6819. Mahalo.